that we were just in time before the bomb dropped, destroying everything our hopes had once designed. With all its architectural flaws, this construction was built to fall apart. Seeking for an exit, running from this crazy, hopelessly messed up way of life. We destroyed the circle head from 10, and we broke the chain that destined us to fail. We were meant for days like these. We were meant for rainy days. Ooh, It's safe to say that this is the end now. We destroyed the circle head from 10, and we broke the chain that destined us to fail. We were made for days like these. We were made for days like these. We were meant for rainy days. Ooh, ooh, Do I dare? I got to be there now. Do you feel that you got to be dead now? Do you lie that I've got to be 17 hours from falling now? And then soon I'll be gone. Do you know that I've got to be loved now? Understand that I've got to do this. Do you feel that you've got to be 17 hours from falling now? Keeping busy with cheap thrills. getting ready for the kill. Keeping busy with cheap thrills, getting ready for the kill. Keeping busy with cheap thrills, getting ready for the kill, for the kill, for the kill, for the kill. In the morning I wake up, open the curtains that were shut, so the sun can shine into the room where we spend the night. Summer birds are singing songs. I wish this morning could go on and on and on. We could cross some space, cross some time, just to spend a little while. You and I can't wait till I got my own place, just to spend